Hi, I'm Cathy O'Shia with New Age Industrial. Today I'd like to talk to you about our rotating oven racks. New Age manufactures aluminum racks for almost any manufacturer of rotating bakery ovens. Our racks are 100% aluminum, which means they will never rust or corrode. As you know, most of the time when you receive a rack, you'll get a stainless steel rack in there. Ours are aluminum, so they are less expensive, which is a huge advantage. They also heat up quicker and cool down faster, so that's an advantage in the bakery operation because the quicker you can get the product out and reloaded for more baking, the more production you can get. Another advantage of the New Age Industrial oven rack is that we supply the rack with a platform caster. The caster is welded to the bottom of the rack. This gives it more longevity and durability and makes the rack much easier to move around. The great thing is that we can customize any of these for you. This is a double deep rack, but we have single, end loading, side loading. We have all different configurations. What we need to know from you is the manufacturer of your oven, so it's going to be Baxter, Revent, whatever it is, and then we need to know the spacing, and that's relevant to what you or your customer are baking. If you're baking cakes, you need a higher spacing, obviously. So we need the spacing. Do you want it single? Do you want it double? Do you want it end load or side load? We also need to know the type of lift, and usually it's going to be A, B, C, that type of thing. The lift is stainless steel. We do put stainless steel lifts on all of our racks. So that is very important because each type of oven has a different lift. So those are the things we need to know. All you need to do is reach out to us. We'll create a quote for you. These are custom items, but we get them in and out of here fairly quickly. Most of them we've done for every model and manufacturer. So just email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or check out our products on our website at newageindustrial.com.